Okay, hi everyone. So today let's discuss this interesting problem. So it says a block of mass 1 kilogram is placed at the point A of a rough track shown in figure. If slightly pushed towards right, it stops at the point B of the track. Calculate the work done by the frictional force on the block during its transit from A to B. Fine. So this is initial position, right, at A, and this is your final position at point B. So how many forces will act on the block when it will travel from A to B? If you draw the free body diagram of the block at any instant, there will be three forces acting on the block. One will be its weight vertically downward, right, mg. There will be normal reaction acting perpendicular to the track at any instant, right, and there will be force of friction, which will try to oppose the motion of the block with respect to the track. So at any instant, these three forces will be acting on the block when it will move from A to B. So we can use work energy theorem, for the motion of this block from A to B. It says work done by all the forces, that should be equal to change in kinetic energy of the block, which is K final minus K initial. Now work done by all the forces will include work done by friction force plus work done by normal reaction plus work done by mg. That is equal to your change in kinetic energy. Initial kinetic energy of the block was 0, right, because initially it was at rest. You just give it a slight push in the rightward direction. So initial kinetic energy of the block will be 0. Final kinetic energy is again 0 because at B the block again comes to rest. So initial and final both are 0. So change in kinetic energy is 0. What is work done by normal reaction? That will be 0 because at any instant normal reaction will be perpendicular to the displacement of the block, right? The block will move in tangential direction to the curve, this curve, right? The displacement of the block at any instant will be tangential and the normal reaction will be perpendicular to the curve. So at any instant we can say the angle between normal reaction and the displacement will be 90 degree. Therefore work done by the normal reaction will be 0. What is the work done by friction? That we have to find out. So what we are getting is work done by friction plus work done by mg. You can write work done by mg as minus of change in gravitational potential energy, because mg is a conservative force. That is equal to 0. So from here you will get the work done by friction as change in gravitational potential energy delta U, which is mg delta h, right? So you can see everything is given, right? M is given 1 kilogram, G, that is 10, you can take it to be 10 into delta h, h final minus h initial. So this is your h initial, right? Let me use a different color. इस तरह से देखो, ये आपका h initial हो गया और ये हो गया आपका h final. So what is delta h? H final minus h initial, that will be minus of 0.2, right? ये 0.8 है और ये 1 meter है. So the difference, that is 0.2, and you have to take minus sign because h final is below h initial. So यहाँ पे minus of 0.2. So it will be minus 2 joule. This is the work done by the friction for the motion of block from point A to point B. Fine, I hope it's clear. Let me know if you still have any confusion. We can discuss further. Okay guys, keep working hard. Best of luck.